Plant-based junk food. Plant-based junk food is a growing trend in the food industry, offering a new approach to indulgence while aligning with the principles of a plant-based diet. This category of food encompasses products that are typically regarded as unhealthy and are traditionally derived from animal sources such as burgers, pizzas, and ice cream, but are now being made entirely from plant-based ingredients. While plant-based junk food may still be processed and high in calories, it offers a more ethical and environmentally friendly alternative to its animal-based counterparts. One of the main advantages of plant-based junk food is its contribution to animal welfare. By eliminating the use of animal products, these foods reduce the demand for factory farming and the associated cruelty that comes with it. Livestock raised for food are often subject to cramped living conditions, routine use of antibiotics, and inhumane slaughtering practices. By choosing plant-based alternatives, consumers are promoting a more compassionate way of eating and reducing the suffering of countless animals in the process. In addition to animal welfare, another key benefit of plant-based junk food is its positive impact on the environment. Studies have shown that animal agriculture is a significant contributor to greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, and water pollution. By opting for plant-based alternatives, individuals can help mitigate these issues. Plant-based products require less land, water, and energy to produce than their animal-based counterparts, making them a more sustainable choice for both our planet and future generations. Furthermore, plant-based junk food can also improve personal health to some extent. While it is true that these foods may still be high in calories, they tend to be lower in saturated fat, cholesterol, and artificial additives commonly found in traditional junk foods. Additionally, plant-based alternatives often offer more vitamins, minerals, and fiber, which are essential for a healthy diet. By opting for plant-based junk food, individuals can enjoy the occasional indulgence without compromising their long-term well-being. Moreover, the development of plant-based junk food has allowed for greater inclusivity in the food industry. By offering plant-based alternatives to popular junk foods, companies are meeting the needs of individuals with dietary restrictions or preferences, such as vegans, vegetarians, and those with lactose intolerance or egg allergies. This wider accessibility allows people to enjoy the familiar flavors and experiences of traditional junk food without compromising their ethical or dietary choices. However, it is important to note that while plant-based junk food offers a more ethical and sustainable alternative, it is still not a substitute for a well-balanced diet rich in whole, unprocessed foods. Consuming these foods in moderation and as part of an overall healthy lifestyle is crucial. Additionally, it is important to be mindful of the ingredients and nutritional content of plant-based junk food, as they can still vary widely from product to product. In conclusion, plant-based junk food represents a positive shift in the food industry, offering a more ethical and sustainable alternative to traditional animal-based options. By choosing plant-based alternatives, individuals can contribute to animal welfare, environmental sustainability, and their own personal health. However, it is important to maintain moderation and prioritize a well-rounded diet for optimal well-being. Plant-based junk food allows for inclusivity and offers a guilt-free way to enjoy indulgent treats while aligning with one's ethical and environmental values. If this information was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And thanks for watching.